I stopped stretching completely for 30 days. I'm a yoga teacher, 30 years of experience, and I quit stretching cold turkey. And what happened next is the reason why I'm standing here making this video. Because I didn't just quit stretching, I replaced it with something else. And the results were so different from everything I'd experienced in 3 decades of yoga that I knew I had to share it with you. Now stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a way to run this exact experiment for yourself for free. And I want to hear what happens to you. Now, before we get into it, if you've ever been told that stretching is the answer to your pain or your tightness and you're still dealing with it anyway, hit that like button. And here's why that actually matters. YouTube's algorithm uses likes and comments and subscribes to decide who else sees this content. So every time you engage, you're not just supporting this channel, you're helping this information reach the people who need it the most. People who are in pain right now and don't know why nothing is working. So please hit that like, drop a comment below. Tell me how long you've been stretching and is it actually working? And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Let's get this out to the people who need it. Let me take you back to when I was 18 years old and in my early 20s. I was a dedicated yoga practitioner. I stretched every single day. I was flexible. People used to comment on it in class. But my dirty little secret, I was in chronic pain. Hip pain, lower back pain, shoulder issues that wouldn't go away no matter what I did or how much I stretched. And the worst of it, I had to stop hiking, something I loved. By the time I hit 30 years old, I gave it up because my body just couldn't handle it anymore. And the cruel irony was that the more I stretched trying to fix it, the worse it got, because I didn't understand yet what was actually happening. It wasn't until I was 45 years old, sitting in an orthopedic surgeon's office, being told I would need a spinal fusion surgery, and that changed everything. That was my rock bottom. 20 years of dedicated yoga practice, 20 years of stretching, and I was looking at a back surgery. Something was catastrophically wrong, and I finally started asking the right questions. Not, how do I stretch more? But why isn't any of this working? What I discovered changed everything I thought I knew about the body. Stretching, passive stretching, the kind that's at the heart of almost every yoga class, shuts muscles down. Neurologically, when you stress a muscle by lengthening it, it loses its ability to contract properly. The brain to muscle connection gets disrupted, and a muscle that can contract can't stabilize the joint it's supposed to be protecting. I wasn't in pain despite my yoga practice. I was in pain because of it. So I ran an experiment. I stopped stretching completely, and I replaced it with something called muscle activation, exercises specifically designed to get muscles contracting properly again, to reestablish the connection between the brain and the muscles. Now, I want to be really clear about something here, because I think this is where a lot of people misunderstood or misunderstand the stop stretching approach. Stop stretching was 50% of the equation. The other 50%, the part that actually creates the transformation, is activating the muscles that have gone neurologically weak. It's not enough just to stop doing the thing that's hurting you. You have to start doing the thing that heals you. Those two things together, that's called AYAMA, Applied Yoga Anatomy and Muscle Activation. That's the method I developed over years of studying, experimenting, and working with students. So what happened after 30 days? The pain started to go away. Not all at once, but steadily, consistently. For the first time in years, my body was moving in the right direction. My shoulders, which had been an ongoing issue, started to settle down. And then something else happened that I didn't expect. I got stronger. Not just less pain, actually stronger. I started lifting more weight than I ever had in my life. And the moment I'll never forget was when I went hiking again. Remember, at 30, I had to give it up. And the knee pain was way too much. My lower back would be sore and tight for days afterwards. For 15 years, hiking wasn't part of my life. And then at 45, after stopping stretching and committing to muscle activation, I went back to the trails. My body could handle it, more than handle it. Last year, I hiked 50 kilometers through the Himalayas. 50 kilometers through the Himalayas at an age when most people are being told to slow down and be careful. That's what's possible when your muscles are actually working the way they're designed to do. Now, here's what I want you to do. I want you to run this experiment yourself. 30 days. I'm going to make it as simple as possible. 2 things, that's all. Number 1, stop all passive stretching. I mean it. No holding stretches, definitely no pigeon pose. No seated forward folds where you're just hanging out there, and definitely no child's pose. For 30 days, done. Stop stretching. Number 2, replace it with 3 muscle activation exercises. Every day they take about 10 minutes, and they're simple enough that anyone can do them. No equipment, no gym, no special setup. So the 3 exercises, the first is Superman. You're going to lie on your stomach, arms extended in front of you. Now lift your arms and legs and chest off the ground, engaging your back muscles. Hold for 6 seconds, repeat this 6 times. And the second one is bridge pose. You're going to lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Press through your feet and lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Again, squeeze the glutes at the top and really squeeze. Remember to hold for 6 seconds and repeat 6 times. And the third is knees to chest pose. Nothing could be more simpler than this. Lie on your back and draw your knees towards your chest. Squeeze your knees into your chest. Just squeeze them, squeeze them, squeeze them with your arms out to the sides. Hold for 6 seconds and repeat 6 times. 6 seconds, 6 repetitions, every exercise, every day. That's one of the AYAMA protocols. Why 6 seconds? Because that's the minimum time a muscle needs to reestablish a proper neurological contraction. Less than that, you're not getting the full signal. And anything more, and you can begin to stress it out. So 6 seconds is around the sweet spot. Now, if you want to do this properly, I put together something for you, and it's called the AYAMA Starter Kit, and it's completely free. It includes the full foundational practice, more than just these 3 exercises laid out step by step, so you know exactly what to do each day for 30 days. And it's pretty much the same system I use. The same one I teach at Blue Osa, packaged up so you can start today. The link is in the description below, so go get it, start today. Give it 30 days and do not stretch. And then I want you to come back here and leave a comment. Tell me what changed. Tell me what you noticed. I read every single comment, and I genuinely want to know what this has done for you and your body. If you want to try these 3 exercises I showed you first without downloading anything, that also works too. Same rules, 6 seconds, 6 times every day for 30 days. Stop all passive stretching. Come back and report. And hey, if you've made it this far, thank you. Genuinely, thank you. Your time means something, and I don't take it lightly. And if this shifted something in you, if it made you think twice about what you've been doing and what you've been told about stretching, share it with somebody who needs it. Leave a comment, hit that like button. Every one of those things helps, gets this content out to reach more people. And that matters. Namaste, friends.